Hi guys, it's your baby boy ng Bacolod and fellow K-pop stan, Andre Martin, and I'll be reacting to Nayeon's ABCD music video. Let's go! The set looks familiar. Lagi na lang dyan. Char. A girl named Nayeon. Beth. Ay! It's giving bang bang chest. Oy. You're gonna be my babe every time you see me. Keep the babe. It's giving Motivation by Normani and Destiny Child. Crazy in Love, ganon. Wala. Beyonce. Ay, bongga. Grabing sexy ni Nayeon, be. Slay. Ayaw pakabog sa outfit ng pop music video. You know what, it would be nice if mag-special appearance mga Twice members. Hey. Oh. Period. My God, grabe. 2022 ba? 2022 yung ano, no? Pop? Grabe yung bilis. Okay, they come through dance break. Let's go Beyonce Nayeon. Ano daw? This look ni Nayeon. Grabe. Okay. Okay! Wow! Oh, pa. Gulat ako dun, B. That look. Sobrang simple, pero rock. Ang ganda niya, no? You're gonna be my babe. ABCD. Okay. Oh. Oh. Ganda. Okay, I can't wait to listen for the whole album kasi yung Nayeon was all skipless. So yes, thanks guys for watching.